Pay attention to Stopper Barangay in the Philippines. So, I'm working before Santa Mesa location, Metro Manila, or SM Santa Mesa building areas to come to little Bonnie was something spoken aloud, understand or this country and happened to me, and all of the rest of it closed my mouth on your pathetic questions. So I guess I turn on myself to interpret who you are in my name because this is right. I'm here in working in Fragile Quezon City, so I experienced Barangay Bahay Toro. So all of our these people is different to our cities. It's all bad when I go into working other people and help people. This is it's not good for experience in the Philippine life. It's always drama. So this is girl model is Ira. She's a beautiful woman. Is her height. Yan ang gusto kong tangkad. Diba? Tangkad na lang talagang kulang. Okay lang aking beauty, peace, height na lang. So, this is pretty girl. I like that. For long hair, gorgeous hair, blown, skin tone. Foreigner is most pretty ever since in Asian beauties.
Dapat konti lang. Naku, kapag ito na parami mga lods, ayan o, magmumukha ka talagang ayan o, para ka talagang tusino.
Wala akong pakialam sa mo, CCTV.
Hindi kayo naras. Natural lang ako tayo sa barangay.
Magaya ng bagong buhay.
Narinig nyo yan ha. Hinuli ako ng mga ulupong na itong mga peke ng tao na itong mga setan. Fuck you!
Para, naging violation po kayo. Alam niyo po yung naging violation nyo.
Di-check mo na yung YouTube para makilala mo sa
City
YouTube.
ordinance po yung violation nyo. Yung city ordinance po, maigpit po natin pinatutupad. Yung pagsusuot po ng face mask. Alam niyo naman po yun, di ba vlogger kayo?
Vlogger ka? Vlogger? Vlogger ka? Subscribe kita. May YouTube din ako eh. Affiliate. Asa yung affiliate mo? Yung affiliate mo. Wala bang ID?
Kalang ka, huwag kang maging bastos. Matuto ka rin respeto. Huwag kang maging ganyan. Maging respetado.